After making floors and roof, the next task is to draw ceilings within your Revit file. So let's get started. I am going to show a mistake which most of the beginners usually made, because I was one of them. So let's just go to apply ceilings, and you can see that in the option bar there is no option, and on the modify panel you can see that there are two type of ceilings. And in the properties palette, if I click on this type selector, you can also see that there are three types of ceilings. Let's just leave these settings as it is. You can also see that the ceiling which I will be applied, that will be uh, 8 feet above from that level. The tooltip assistance is also showing me the same. So let's just apply the ceiling. Now you can see that I am unable to apply ceiling because my cursor is in the open area. Now if I move my cursor to any closed area, and I am not just clicking right away, now you can see that the Revit is already highlighting that area. So let's apply the ceiling to this close area. This is the warning that Revit has been showing me. It says that none of the created elements are visible in the floor plan ground floor, because I am currently working in ground floor plans. So for the ceilings you have to minimize this floor plan section, and you have to apply ceiling in the ground floor ceiling plans. So ground floor, but under the ceiling plan section. So I will double click on it, and now you can see that my ceiling is already applied here. And let's just go to the ceiling again and apply ceiling here. Now you can see that I am not getting any kind of error or warning from Revit. So just let's click on these areas and apply ceiling one by one. You can notice that the orientation of this ceiling is automatically decided by the Revit. So let's just escape once and click one of the design, and you can see that in the modify tab I can rotate it. So if I rotate just one line, let's say 90 angle, you can see that automatically all of the ceiling boxes or ceiling orientation within that area has been also rotated. Now coming back to ceiling again, and for some other areas I will apply the 2 by 2 ceiling, and let's just click here. Now you can see that 2 by 2 ceiling has been applied, and also here, or let's press Ctrl Z and apply it here and here. For the next some of the areas, let's just apply this third type of ceiling and apply, and just click here. Now the ceiling has been applied, but I am unable to view it here because it is a plain ceiling. For that reason I will just go to this section, and now you can see that there are two types of ceiling. You can see the thickness. If I click on it, and you can see that in the properties palette it shows that this one is 2 by 2 ceiling, and this one is GWB on metal stud ceiling. So the ceiling has been applied, but I am unable to see it in ceiling plan view, so you don't have to worry about it. Now if I want to apply this sketch ceiling, how is it different? So as the name says, I have to make a sketch about the area and the ceiling will be applied. So let's just click this one, and as from the draw panel you can see that this is a different kind of ceiling application. I will just select this rectangular draw diagram and draw a random 7 feet by 9 feet rectangle, and I will change this type of ceiling to 2 by 4, or let's say 2 by 2, and then apply. Now you can see that I am able to apply the ceiling into this specified area. Let's just make another experiment and see if I am able to make the ceiling in the rest of the area as well or not. So let's just click on automatic ceiling and select 2 by 4 ceiling. Now you can see that this both of the ceiling has been overlapped, which means that you should apply sketch ceiling on the rest of the area as well. So let's just press Ctrl Z and go to sketch ceiling. This time I will select pick walls. I will select these pick walls and make it into a closed loop. So just trim and extend these lines. Since I am working in this area, the line should be at this face of the wall. And if I make an exemption it here, I think now the area has been closed, and just click here. Now you can see that my ceiling, if I click here, now you can see that this area has been subtracted from this 2 by 4 ceiling, and this area has a different type of ceiling which is 2 by 2. So these are the two types or two methods to apply the ceiling within Revit. uh, if you have any kind of confusion, please do ask me in the comment section. That's it for today.